In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently integrate and use an email service node within your marketing strategy. Our goal is to streamline your email campaigns with the help of automation and templates, ensuring your messages reach the right people at the right time. We'll also leverage AI capabilities to design compelling email content. So let's dive in. First, it's important to connect our email service node. This involves selecting an email service provider that suits your business needs. Providers like MailChimp, SendGrid, or Constant Contact are popular choices due to their reliability and features. Once you've selected your provider, you'll need to set up an account with them if you haven't already. Generally, you'll receive an API key and authentication credentials. These are crucial for establishing a secure connection between the email service node and your application or website. Ensure you enter these details correctly in your email service node settings, allowing it to sync seamlessly with your chosen provider. With the connection established, we move on to designing the email content. One of the best ways to do this efficiently is by using AI or pre-designed templates. AI tools can analyze your existing communications and assist in crafting personalized and engaging content suited for your audience. Alternatively, email providers often offer a range of templates tailor-made for various purposes, such as promotional messages, newsletters, and event invitations. Choosing the right template can save you precious time and maintain a consistent brand voice. When editing your email, focus on clarity and specificity while ensuring it aligns with your brand's message. Now let's set up recipient lists. It's vital to organize your contacts into specific categories or segments. Think of this as sorting your contacts into groups based on common characteristics or behaviors such as previous purchases or location. Doing so will enable you to send targeted messages that resonate more effectively with each audience segment. You can typically import lists directly into your email service provider's platform in CSV format or manually enter each contact. After importing your contacts, double-check for accuracy, ensuring no emails are mistyped or duplicated. Finally, we'll automate the sending process and set up follow-ups. Automation is a powerful tool that allows you to maintain regular communication with your audience without requiring constant manual effort. With email automation, you can schedule emails to go out at optimal times, set up automated responses for inquiries, and create workflows for different scenarios, such as onboarding a new subscriber or following up after a webinar. Ensure all automated messages are correctly queued and tested before going live, to guarantee they deliver appropriately without technical glitches. And there you have it. By integrating your email service node, crafting personalized content with AI or templates, segmenting your audience, and automating your campaigns, you're well poised to elevate your email marketing strategy. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing the impact this approach will have on your communications. Happy emailing!